Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is throwback video. Ibalik ko lang itong istorya, kwento nila ni Sharon Cuneta at Pops Fernandez. Parehas naman silang maagang nag-asawa. Dahil nga, di ba napanood nyo ba yung in-upload ko din na si Pops Fernandez at saka si Martin Rivera may interview sa Beyond Exchange na para talagang umiiyak si Pops Fernandez pagbalikan niya yung mga nakaraan nung naghiwalay sila ni Martin Rivera dahil nga first boyfriend nga daw niya ito. Maraming mga kwentong ganon. At si Sharon naman ganon din kay Gabby Concepcion, maagang nag-asawa, then naghiwalay. Ang hindi ko alam para sa sarili ko, hindi ko alam na akala ko dati hindi sila magkakilala ni Pops Fernandez at saka si Sharon Cuneta, hindi sila magkaibigan. Yun pala behind the camera, behind sa mga mata ng publiko, magkaibigan pala ito guys. At ati silang pinagsasabong dati ng mga fans ni Pops Fernandez, fans ni Sharon Cuneta, na mas magaling si Sharon kumanta at yun namang mga ano bang tawag doon, mga fans ni Pops Fernandez ay talaga namang pinaglalaban din nila na mas magaling yung kanilang iniidolo. Syempre naman hindi din magpapatalo ang mga Sharonians dahil nga mas magaling daw yung kanilang iniidolo. Behind the camera guys, behind pala doon sa pag-aaway ng mga fans ay magkaibigan din pala sila. Parang
Let's wait and check to see if we are live.
Yes, are we?
We are live. I'm waiting here on my YouTube. Unfortunately, so sorry, I gotta apologize to everyone and to you, Ate Shawi, because in our attempt to show this on Facebook and YouTube at the same time, we used a new app. And obviously something went wrong during the live. So now, sorry po, sa YouTube live lang muna po tayo for now, okay? We were trying to fix it while we disappeared for a while. But the most important thing is we are back, and we are back with our one and only megastar, Shawi. Hello, Ate Shawi. Oh,
Hello.
your light. Nung bumalik tayo, your light is better.
Oh yeah, because you taught me. I pulled
Ayan.
YouTube light that now ko lang nagamit.
Talaga? Oh my God. Ito naman, naharas-haras na po ang aking technical person.
Nilalamove sa akin nung YouTube team. Nilalamove nung isang araw.
Ayan. So, kompleto na po kami. Hello again, everybody. I hope that you can actually see us already live here on YouTube. Like I said earlier, promises kept. Sharon is here. And finally, we're going to have our moment together with all of you. This is our girl talk here on YouTube Live. Ang dami kong tanong sa'yo, Ate Shawi.
Ay, go on.
But they're all safe. They're all very, very safe.
They don't have to be.
Okay, then it won't be safe. Okay.
No, you know.
So,
baka tell muna people about our background, how long we've known
yes.
each other. But we never really became that close kasi when Pops entered show business, syempre naiintindihan kami. I tried so hard not to be when you're a teenager. Syempre, it affect you. I think it affected Pops a little bit more.
I got jahe. I think I got really jahe. I'm really mahihain. For those of you who don't know,
Super.
at kung hindi po halata, mahihain po ako.
Sobra. Nagulat po ako nung naging singer siya kasi since we were like 5 years old. I am
That's
11
right.
months older than Pops.
That's why it's ate. December ako. So,
magte-28 pa lang siya, ako 28 na.
tapos, 11 months after, 28 pa rin ako, syempre. I mean, you know, it's really like that. Life is like that. We make our own choices, and my choice is, I want to be 28.
I stopped
For a
at
long
23. Casey said she remembers me and she stopped at 27. When I was 27, sabi ko, ako 23. I don't know why. But you still feel the same, don't you?
I feel the same. I actually feel younger now. I
Yeah.
don't know why.
Freer.
freer, yeah.
Earned our stripes after
Exactly. I think it's also because, well, our parents then were super, super strict.
Yeah,
Uh,
super duper. That's
we're
why
not,
I know with my kids, I'm
yeah,
cooler.
we're not allowed to do a lot of stuff. If my mom is watching, and I know my mom is watching, totoo naman po yan. With my lola, alam mo naman, di ba, binabantayan tayo talaga ng
Remember Lola
sobra,
Tisay?
sobra.
Lola Tisay, my Lola. Oh
Yes.
my God.
So, nung araw po, for the millennials who are watching, sobra po kaming talagang binabantayan, sinasamahan.
We don't understand
Ah,
how you guys can now go on trips abroad with your boyfriends,
yes.
not
You're
be
so,
murdered by
well,
your parents. Dapat ngayon tayo nabuhay, no? Ngayon
dapat
tayo,
ganon.
I mean,
Oo.
dapat
Well,
millennials tayo. Parang kami ni Jaja, yun ang feeling namin.
I think it depends also on the personality of the child, right? I think
Oh,
kasi,
yeah.
I think ever since kasi we're very independent, and then we knew what we wanted. So it was very hard every time they'd say no. Although we followed.
But
You know
I-
naman that we're such good daughters. We really followed
I was gonna say that. Yeah.
we
We were,
followed everything.
you know, to our audience now, this is Fuera Biro. Seriously, Pops and I were super good girls. Super good girls. And then we fell in love.
I was gonna say, alam mo ba ako yung the least likely to really get married, because again, I was so shy, I didn't talk, I never dated, I never went out, I was not allowed to be naligaw, right? So
Yeah.
I think all of our schoolmates and classmates
Yeah.
were so shocked when, syempre nauna ka uli.
No, pero wait, when did you leave? What grade?
12 na ba ako noon? 12 eh. 11 or 12. I'm not sure
I
eh.
left in 11th. You weren't there anymore.
Oh, 11 ako. 11 rin ako.
Nauna ka ng konti. 11
Yeah.
din ako. Oo. So, and then I took that test sa Department of Education and enough to qualify for college.
Mm-mm.
Siyempre, IS tayo. So, I'm sorry, but I have to say, academics in the international school were, and I'm sure they still are, so great. We were actually trained for college life. Remember, we would get our books from the lockers and walk from classroom to classroom. College, ano tayo nun, style. And
Yes,
the
yes.
academics were so advanced. The exam was so easy for me. So, and then so when I decided to go back to college later na nung asawa ko na si Kiko, it was easy.
Back then, if I remembered correctly, that's right. When I started, syempre po nung nag-umpisa ako, Sharon Cuneta na po si Ate Shawi.
Ako naman po.
The Sharon Cuneta.
So,
So,
anak tayo pareho ni Mama Helen.
ni Ninang Helen. And
So,
that's why, ever since we were children,
Pops!
Ninang, nanonood ka ba? Talaga, ako naman, as always, totoo po to, ever since, hanggang ngayon naman po, medyo dead man naman po ako. Not with feelings but I never get as affected yata.
Yeah.
Hindi, or maybe I just don't show it. So, parang ganun yung nangyari. Anyway, syempre na-compare po kami.
Carry on. I'm going to text sila Apple. So, they can...
Okay, yeah, tell them to watch. So, syempre na-compare po kami nung kabataan namin. Madami nagsabi na magkamukha daw kami, which was syempre a compliment for me. Kasi naman,
talaga
back then naman kasi talaga, syempre pag Sharon Cuneta, kokopyahin mo. So, nung nag-bangs si Ate Shawi, nag-bangs din ako. Kung nauso yung bob, nag-bob din ako. May difference. Siya may noo, ako wala. So, yun ang difference. So, puro buhok lang po ako nung araw. Meron ka bang photo? Pinakita ko to eh. So, puro buhok po ako. But of course, there was so much pressure. Again, we were both managed by, of course, Tito Sen, si Ninong.
And I was so jealous because by the time I was starting oh my God!
Ayan.
Talaga tayo. Magkatipo talaga tayo. But I have to say, bata pa kami, Pops was already so sexy.
Yay!
And when we,
Payat lang.
School?
Payat lang.
when we were in high school, sabi ko, ganda-ganda talaga ng katawan ni Pops. Eh, payat pa rin naman ako noon. Pero, pati kami ni Regine, pag kung nagkakantuhan kami, ganyan-ganyan, sabi niya, leg. Sabay kami, Pops. Ganyan
Ay,
talaga.
nako. Anyway, and the rest, of course, is history. And then, of course, we got married.
Hindi tayo
One thing...
nagmarcha ng graduation sa high school. Nagmarcha
Hindi,
tayo sa
wala.
aisle ng simbahan.
Nauna, we did everything in advance. So,
Do you remember Senyor Lauchenko? Senyor Ramon Lauchenko?
yes.
Our
There was
Vice Principal.
there
And-
was an IS reunion, ha? You were not there.
was
I also
think
I
they
also found
fired
out
me.
No. I also found out last minute, so I was able to make habol. The one of the events, and it was 100 years of IS, so it was kind of senti.
Please tell them naman to let me know next time.
We'll invite you. There's a group chat.